Hey, Waterloo Middle School students, this is Mr. Deuth. This is going to be my very last video showing you how to do some of this stuff in the VEXcode VR platform. So what we're going to do today is we're going to work on drawing our initials, okay? So your robot, and if I'm looking kind of up, that's because my screen is up here, but my camera's down here. But our robot, remember, we used a pen earlier to draw. Okay, so what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and use our pen to draw our initials in the art canvas playground. So make sure that you have that art canvas playground selected. And then what I need to do first is I need to get my robot from here all the way up here because my first initial is the letter E. So I need to get my robot up there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually walk you through how to do some of this. So it's going to be a little bit of a longer video, but hopefully as I kind of do this live for you while you're watching it, you'll be able to learn a few things and you'll be able to see how one of your teachers works through some of these problems and tries to figure them out. I have not done this yet. This is going to be my first time. Okay, so I've taken a look at the worksheet here and we are going to try and draw at least my first initial. We'll see if we can get that far. My first name is Evan, so we're going to try and draw an E. Okay, so the first thing I notice is my robot is pointed this way. Okay, it's pointed towards the top. So I'm going to need to turn my robot this way, move it this way, turn again, and get it up here so that I can begin drawing this. And actually, maybe now that I'm thinking about it, it might be better to get it up here to draw that first horizontal line in the E. So maybe what I'll do is I will add a drive forward for a specific distance. And let's just see how far 200 millimeters is. I'm going to run that quick. That's not going to be far enough. Let's try 400. We'll double it. Okay. I'm going to reset and run. And this is the great thing about the VEXcode VR platform is you can make adjustments like that on the fly. Still don't think that's far enough, so I'm going to bump it up to 500. And then you can just keep changing those values. Oh, man, we still need to go up a little bit more. 600 should do it. And you can see in real time how it's affecting your robot. That's going to be perfect right there. We're going to stop right there. Now, we need to turn our robot, let's see, to the left. My camera's backwards on my computer, but we're going to turn it this way, right? So I'm going to grab this turn for 90 degrees, but we're going to change it to turn left. And then I think what we should probably do is we should probably get the pen to go down. Okay, so we're going to move the robot pen down. We'll set it to, let's move it to blue. Blue's my favorite color. So we'll move it to blue. And then we're going to need to drive forward again, maybe for 200 meters. Let's see what that does. 200 millimeters, sorry. So here he goes. He's going to go up. He's going to get in position. He's going to turn. And now the pen goes down. And that's not going to be far enough. So let's change this to 500. That might be too long, but we can always change it. That's the beautiful part about this program. So he's going to start drawing that first horizontal line. Looks like he stops right there. We can work with that. So now we want our robot to turn to the left again. So we're going to have him turn left. We're going to have him go down. We'll have him drive forward. Let's say another 500 meters or millimeters. Okay. And then we're going to have him turn to the right to draw that second horizontal line. And then we'll have him drive forward for our first horizontal line was 500 meters. So let's make this one 500 millimeters. Let's try that. Let's see if we can get those first two horizontal lines drawn. He goes, he's turning left. Down he goes this way. Oh, he turned the wrong way. Okay, so this was the wrong direction. We needed him to turn left again. Okay, so let's reset that and run it one more time. Got my directions mixed up. Okay, there he goes. Now, he's going to stop here. Maybe we shouldn't make this one go out all the way because an E, the second horizontal line, the middle one doesn't go out as far. Let's change that to 400. And then what we're going to need him to do is we're going to need him to turn the heading. We have not used this yet, but let's turn the heading 180 degrees. Okay, that's going to make him go completely, where's my camera at? Completely around in a circle so that he can go back the other way. Okay, and then we're going to have him drive forward again. And he went 400 meters out, so we'll have him go 400 millimeters back. And then we're going to need to have him turn left again. You can see as I'm programming it, my brain is just thinking about all of this stuff as I try and do it. Okay, so we're going to turn left for 90 degrees, drive forward 500 millimeters, and then we're going to have him turn left one more time. I'm going to have him drive forward. Scroll down here, change that to 500, and then we can have him move the robot pen up so that he stops drawing. We can have him move forward just a little bit more so he moves out of the way, and then we can have him stop driving. Okay, this should work, but we'll find out. Sometimes we have some mistakes. So here he goes. He's going to get in position. He's going to start drawing that first line of the E. So far, so good. Let's see if this works. I've never done this before. Nope, that did not work. So we're going to have to change that. Okay, that did not work at all. Okay, so let's go back up because we know it's right here that we were having that problem. So let's go up here and let's take this off. Let's see if we can take that off and get rid of this command. Let's have him do, let's see, he's going to go this way. And then we're going to need him to go 2 left turns. Or maybe we'll just have him turn left for 180 degrees. My computer's kind of glitching out here on me. We'll get that straightened out here. Need this block to attach right there. There it goes. We're going to change that to 180 degrees. Remember, 180 degrees is a complete circle. Okay? There we go. And then let's get these blocks lined back up with the rest of our code. And let's try this one more time. Hey, we're looking pretty good now. He's going to come down here. He's going to draw the last line. He's going to move a little bit out of the way. And there we go. We have my initial, the letter E for excellent. Just kidding. My first name is Evan, but you can call me Mr. Deuth. That's what you're going to try and do in this exercise. I know this was a longer video, but hopefully it kind of showed you how to move some things around in the VEXcode VR. There's definitely an easier way to do all this, and if you read some of this information in the worksheet here, they will give you some good tips here on how to make that a little easier on yourself. I think sometimes when I'm programming stuff, I make it kind of hard on myself. So hopefully you can be smarter than me and figure out some awesome, more efficient ways to program some of this stuff, and you can have some fun. And try it out with other stuff. Try doing your parents' initials or siblings' initials, different things like that. See if you can do, like, my middle initial is M. See if you can do some diagonal lines. Okay, that would be pretty challenging, but would also be pretty cool. So hopefully this was helpful to you. Hopefully you are not going outside or going anywhere right now. You need to stay safe and make sure you're washing your hands and good luck with these programming activities. Remember to try and do some sort of screen capture or screen cast or something and get that into Google Classroom for your teachers so that we can help you out with it. All right, thanks for watching.